today at the launch of the Virgin Media Smart Home proposition. The Virgin Media Smart Home packages start from as little as €15 per month and can be paid off monthly over a 12-month period. The packages include devices like the Nest Hello Mini, the Google Home Hub, the Nest Hello Doorbell and TP-Link smart plugs, to name but a few. That's one of the biggest benefits of buying the packages from Virgin Media. Secondly, the combined cost of purchasing one of these bundles is up to €129 cheaper than the recommended retail price of buying these devices and having them installed separately. So we have a team of specially trained agents in our contact centre in Limerick who will be available to take any calls that customers may have in relation to their smart devices. We've been recently awarded for the third time in a row Ireland's best customer service team, so customers can be sure that they're getting the very best in support from Virgin Media if anything goes wrong.
We did a lot of research in terms of what we would offer as part of our smart home, and a number of things came through very clearly from customers. One was the effort involved in connecting, getting things up and running seemed to be a bit of a barrier, and equally that brand recognition awareness was another challenge. So for launch we've decided to go with Google and reinforce that with our Red House install to make sure all our customers get all the kit up and running, they get their login, the apps, everything's done in one go and they're ready to go with their smart home. I think smart devices, connected home, connected experiences are only going to keep getting bigger and more important for consumers. And again, the important thing for us to remember is broadband is the thing that enables that. This really can make a difference in people's lives. And that's why from a Virgin Media brand point of view, from the service we offer, we think this is the right time to start embracing connected home and smart home.